since I'm going to be filming a video today anyways, I figured I'd make it a little more interesting than just a mess of a try-on video. So I'm gonna do my hair because, you know, just quarantine things. Oh, I sound sick still. Just how I do my hair every day. 1 inch, 1.5, I don't know how big this is. Okay. Excuse the AirPod, that's gonna work as the mic for now. But one, because my hair is so thin, I can curl it in 3 sections. So, or 3 sections, 3 to 4 sections on each side. Second strand, take the curly iron backwards and curl it in. And back away from the face. So out, in, and then out is my 3 strands on this side. I don't really have like numbers for how long I hold the curl in, it's just until I decide to let it go. I would say 10 to 15 seconds is good. And then you get something like this. And then I'll go on to the other side. I tried to keep the sections as even as possible when I go through, but sometimes they're thinner than others, sometimes they're thicker, sometimes the last strand is like a whole bunch of hair, but I just curl it anyways. Look at that, less than 3 minutes and my hair is pretty much all curled. Okay, and then because we kind of only focus on the bottom, we still have like these upper sections. I'm just gonna take the front bit at the top, curl that away from the face. Like that. And then another section in the back and away from the face as well. The top parts of the hair can go in the same direction. Okay, so when I have it like this, it's a lot tighter than I would like. So what I do is just run my hands through it. Yay. And these are the curls we want. That's how I curl my hair. Run the fingers through all of it. And we're done. So this is how my hair turns out. This is how I do my hair every day for school, for work. It's just easy, it's fast for me. Sometimes I change up the way I style my hair, but this is like my everyday hair style. Okay, now we can start the next part of the video. So, quarantine situations have caused me to do something impulsive. I kind of am already an impulsive shopper anyways, but I impulse bought BTS merch. under the influence and a resource of a friend though. She's the one that sent me the link to the shirt because we've always talked about how much we loved the tour merch t-shirts and we regretted not getting them when we were at the tour, our concert last year. So my friend found a link online and sent it to me and we both ended up buying the same shirt on the same day. It's the Speak Yourself, Love Yourself t-shirt. This is the back. Oh, bad YouTuber. This is the back of the shirt. This is the front. It's super plain and super cute, which is why I loved it so much. There's the heart and arrow. And then the tag looks legit. So does like this one. So I don't think it's fake. And then there's the little like tag thingy here at the bottom. Yeah, okay. So this is like, it looks massive. It's huge. It's in a medium. Normally, probably would get an adult small, but medium I'm okay with because I like oversized things and this is proving to be oversized. So I'm gonna try it on and do a few looks with it, I guess, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, this is the shirt. It's pretty big. The logo kind of runs away on the top of my shoulder. I feel like it's supposed to be down here a little more, but because it's so big, it's all the way there. So let's do a full body shot. I'm on my bed right now, so let me see if I can angle this so we can see better. I'm wearing shorts under. This shirt is huge. For perspective, shirt from the front and from the back. Cute. It's cute, I love. So like, look one I guess, because I would wear this at home, just like this, with like shorts under. T-shirt is, it works. Let's wear it concert version. We wear it like chin. Oh, let me put on some lenses. Okay, so I put on lenses to be like Timmy when he wears his shirt in concert. Then I also put on jeans. Who puts on jeans in quarantine? Did it for the video. Okay, so this is the shirt. The front. I feel like this is how they usually wear it in concert, with like jeans tucked in. So this is the look that we're going for. Honestly, not many looks to do with this shirt, because it's a plain shirt, so you can wear it with jeans, shorts, anything. But this is just how we're doing it. I like it. It's cute. And then we do tucked in. And then the boys also like to tuck pulled out too. Pulled out, it's a lot longer. It's really big, because it's a medium. Here's the back. And obviously you saw earlier when I'm in shorts, it looks like I'm not wearing anything, but I love it. So yeah, this is my impulse buy in quarantine. Okay, so just to make some comments about the shirt. This is what it looks like. It's really big for a medium. It's an adult medium. It looked big on the boys when they wore it in concert, so I like the shirt big anyways. The material's not soft like the t-shirt I was wearing in the beginning. It's like my Champion t-shirt. It was like, it's softer, it's a little like thicker in material. This one's like thinner and like a little rougher. If you were in a school club, I feel like this like club t-shirt material is like what I would say if you're like in a school club. All the t-shirts are like pretty much printed on like this kind of material. I think it's like meant to be a little more airy because the boys do wear these shirts as well for their concerts. So that might be the purpose. It's also like really thin, so girls don't wear a colored bra underneath. We'll keep it plain, keep it simple. Just like blacks or like a nude bra underneath or like a white, you know? But yeah, this is the shirt. I love it. It's cute. Good impulse buy. Yeah, so that's all for this video, I guess. Hope everyone's doing okay in quarantine. Making impulse buys like I am. Trying to pass the time, but whatever it is, hope everyone's staying safe, staying healthy. Don't get sick like me. Still getting over some pretty rough stuff, but we're getting there and we're getting better. So stay home, everyone. Stay safe, and see you in the next video. Hey.